This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terrace. What a wonderful view from this spectacular unit. This great apartment has a super convenient floor plan, with 2 oversized bedrooms. Both of them with awesome views to the bay and ocean, and the best part, unit has hurricane impact windows. And, there is more, washer and dryer inside the unit. Walk-in closet and master bed, large terrace, and the best amenities, heated pool, gym, boat dock, available for sale or rent, party room and a lot more. Finally, location, 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 and is good to know, that maintenance fees include all utilities, electric, water, internet, cable TV, Wi-Fi. This condo is the perfect 10. For more information, review the details below or contact Terrace at 305-774-5889.